Claude wrote this bounce in After Effects. One prompt, 0 keyframes. Still hand keyframing every move, Claude writes the expression, and you paste it on the property, but one setting turns it all red. Ask for an inertial bounce, and you get the physics people hunt forums for. Loop it forever, one line, done. A wiggle you can dial in, with sliders, and a typewriter that types to the playhead. Here's the catch. Claude writes modern JavaScript, but if your project is on the old engine, every expression error is red, until you flip one toggle in project settings. Flip it, and Claude rigs your whole comp. The expression pack is free in the description. New build every week. Subscribe.